Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do the Battlefield mobile game 90 FPS gameplay test in the POCO X3 Pro device. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to use the POCO X3 Pro. The POCO X3 Pro, which has got the Snapdragon 860 chipset, and a few of the users, they want to know how is the performance of this phone if you try to use a 90 FPS. Right now, as you can see friends, I'm trying to use 90 FPS. So by default, we don't get any kind of 90 FPS at this moment. So you need to use a config file or maybe GFX file to use this kind of 90 FPS update. But only one thing is that if you use those, definitely your account may get banned as well. That's another thing you should definitely take care. So even my couple of accounts got banned by using this kind of config file. That's the reason you should be very, very careful. So until we get the stable config file, I'm not unable to find the stable config file without any kind of getting banned. So right now you can see the real-time FPS. I'm getting about 90 FPS as well. And it's a Game Turbo 4.0 which I did install in my device. So which looks really good in terms of the Game Turbo 4.0 as well. And right now let me need to do the couple of FPS drop test and frame test. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate right now by playing. So I'll try to play the couple of first let's start with the FPS drop test. Let me need to go back and drop in the boot camp. Exactly, just to check how much the FPS will be dropping. And I'm trying to use the real-time FPS meter as well, which is really good in the POCO phones. And even the Realme also did introduce the real-time FPS meter anyway with the Realme UI 3.0. So right now I'll let you select the bootcamp map at this moment. And now you'll be able to see how much the FPS is gonna drop in the POCO X3 Pro with the bootcamp using 90 FPS. These are the Realme gaming triggers which I'm trying to use. These are available for about 699 rupees in the Realme website. You can check in the Realme website about these things. So right now friends, we are going to see how much the FPS will be dropping exactly in the boot camp. So this is going to be really very interesting to see. So right now you'll be able to see the floating FPS meter. We're getting about 86. 90 FPS it's maintaining 89, not bad. So in case if you want me to do any other comparisons, let me know in the comment section below with what smartphones you want me to compare. Right now you're getting about 88 FPS, 87. So follow my gaming channel friends. There I'll try to upload the config file and all the details. So 16 FPS overall. So GFX tool and config file, everything I'll try to upload in my gaming channel. So make sure to follow my gaming channel regularly to get to know all the updates. That will definitely help you to get to know all the details as well. So right now as you can see friends, it was able to maintain exactly close to 90 FPS. Not bad even after some time as well. So I can clearly see what is happening. 90 FPS it's maintaining. I'm trying to use the gaming triggers as well during this time of testing. So they're really accurate, not bad in terms of the gaming triggers. Very fast and accuracy they're trying to maintain. Alright friends, definitely it was able to maintain really good the FPS, not bad. Sometimes it can drop up to below 70 as well sometimes when there's intense kind of match going on. So right now in the first time FPS drop test, it did not drop that much. So now I need to close it and I'll try to play the couple of team that match and then I'll try to end up this video. So make sure to follow my gaming channel friends there. I'll definitely upload how to use the 90 FPS config file and everything perfectly, how to make it work as well. So right now let's see what will happen with the team deathmatch. So team deathmatch should not be any kind of issues. As you can see, it was able to maintain 90 and 91 FPS, not bad. 89, 88. As you can see, friends, overall it was able to maintain really good FPS.
Blue team is unstoppable! Killing spree for the blue team! The blue team is about to win! Watch out!
So friends, the Poco X3 Pro will be definitely able to handle the 90 FPS without any kind of much problem. You can see how smooth it is, and in terms of the temperatures also, I'll try to check the temperatures. It should not be that much kind of high temperature at this moment anyway. So right now I finished the match, and let's check the temperatures, what is happening with the phone. So I've been waiting, I've been playing for the past 10 to 15 minutes of time. The temperature increased to 38 degrees Celsius, not bad in terms of the temperatures reading. So nothing much major temperatures increased at this moment. And let me try to start the match one more time. I think this should be kind of good. And so don't forget friends, make sure to follow my gaming channel. So there I'll definitely upload the video how to get the 90 FPS. But overall the gameplay looks really good, promising in the Poco X3 Pro, which is a perfect low budget mobile phone. Heavy gaming you can actually do. In 15,000 rupees around, you can actually get this phone, which is perfectly phone for the gameplay. 90 FPS where you can actually play it very smooth. That's the one thing which I did like in the Poco X3 Pro with the performance. So performance is one of the key important aspect of this Poco X3 Pro, which is fantastic. Is the biggest place point for this Poco X3 Pro in terms of the performance wise.
Blue team has scored for the first time!
So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.